Hello all, we've got a new blanket to show you. It's one of mine. This is the Chunky Monkey V-Stitch blanket. Now, I seem to be talking a lot about Scheepjes Chunky Monkey at the moment. It is this. It's gorgeous. Perfect for knitting, perfect for crochet. It's chunky and round and gorgeous. It's multi-ended, and the way it's plied together, it gives you a really tubular yarn, which I really like. I find it very, very easy to knit and crochet with. And it gives you such, I can't tell you how squishy this feels. It gives you a really, really bouncy fabric when you... I'm knitting with it at the moment. Yeah. This is obviously crocheted. Whichever one you're doing, it gives you that really, really bouncy, chunky fabric. It's just gorgeous. It's an acrylic yarn. You wouldn't necessarily think it was an acrylic. It doesn't feel like an acrylic. It's beautiful. This is it's a really, really simple V-stitch. It will grow in no time with just a nice border of DCs in all the different colours. It's available as a kit. The kit is $29.99. You get all the yarn. You get everything by your crochet hook. You get a beautifully printed pattern. But I really like this. It's a good size as well. If I hold it up, it's a really nice size for maybe a children's blanket, but it just feels gorgeous. I feel like stopping everybody and saying, just give it a bit of a scrunch. So this is it, latest blanket kit from Blacksheepwools.